Second save for the Danish keeper into the line. No one there. And Jørgensen, it's saved by Dibonnet. He couldn't quite get into his semi-final yesterday. But patient build-up. Fernandez has come around. He's going back into the wing. Len Müller, big save, his third. As Flensburg are short-handed, we go past the midway point. Passive play call. And as ever, Mensa Larsen comes on and delivers. Monte, Skube moves it the other side. Bort with an absolute bullet of a shot and his second goal. Trying to give them as little space as possible to manoeuvre. Oh, brilliant. Right up in the corner. Kirkelukkes first. He's on 8 goals. Monte again. And they're sitting off him. 4 fast breaks apiece so far in this game. Looking to the line again. And another lofty lob. Hard as a rock in defence. At least on the good news aspect for Montpellier, I've just seen Fernandez move up the bench. He's back. Monte, oh, what a goal! Low shot. Second goal for him. Again. Oh, double save, Müller. Huge. They're on their feet here in Hamburg, and so they should be. Hansen comes around from the wing, goes in on the line. Passive play call. Müller blasts it. Too much power. Bolzinger can only divert it into his own goal. 29% save rate. It's had on the low side, but he is being left very exposed by the defence. Well, that's a good switch. Hisham. They're pressed into action here. Oh, what a goal! Beautiful. Kirkelukke looks for help, finds Jakobsen. Oh, cheeky one. Drops it down next to the keeper with a bit of reverse spin as well. And Jakobsen's 8. Well, it just was one of those days for Montpellier today, facing Kevin Müller. Oh! And now it's Lasse Müller with his 6th. Passive play. 4 passes to get the shot away. Mensa Larsen, oh, beautiful flick of the wrist. A commanding performance by Flensburg. There goes the buzzer. And Flensburg retain their title. The first team to win back-to-back European League finals. And get ready, get ready. And here they are, champions again, Flensburg-Handewitt. They win in phenomenal style here today. A commanding performance.